doing? It's Junkyard. We are doing a cooking with Junkyard real quick lunch. Honestly, I had no idea what I was going to make, and sometimes I'll just go ahead and see what leftovers are here and what I can make out of it. So today we are making ramen. I know you viewers love to talk about ramen soup. So we are going to make some top ramen. And one of the best things about top ramen is literally you can make anything and put anything in it. So we have I have a piece of celery, we have an egg, and we have some leftover Chinese stuff that my wife had in here. And we're gonna also top it off with some seaweed. So let's go ahead and get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Okay, so first thing you want to do is get the water going. So we got 2 cups of water. We're going to let that boil. Cutting up some celery. And then we have, these are seasoned seaweed packets. And what we do is I'll just go ahead and cut those up into slivers. And then we will add the things to the water and get it all going. Okay, one of the first things I like to do before I put it in the water is actually break the ramen up. I don't like the big strands. If you do, don't break it, but that's what I'm gonna do. There's my puppy. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Just play with the dog while you're waiting for the soup to boil, the water to boil. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. All right, let's go take a look at the water. All right, so we got the water boiling. We're gonna go ahead and put the noodles in, as well as we're gonna put the celery in at this point, because the celery is gonna take a little bit longer to cook. So I'm gonna let the celery and the noodles cook together, only for about 3 minutes. Okay, so we've let this cook for a few minutes. The noodles themselves has softened up. The celery has cooked through. We're gonna add our extra pieces here. Now again, this is just leftovers. And that's one of the greatest thing about ramen. You can just put anything in there and just literally let it make its own thing. So this is gonna cook for a little bit longer now. The food I just put in there is just leftover Chinese food that just adds some flavor to it. And we're going to let that come to another heat because that was in the fridge, so that cooled it down quite a bit. All right, so that heated up again. And now what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna add an egg to this. Put an egg in there. Now, I just put the egg salt like that. You could scramble it and put it in there. But now it's going to cook there for a minute or so. And then, oops, my finger was blocking that. Sorry about that. We're gonna cook there for a minute or so. And we're gonna add the flavor packet. And that's done. Get that in a bowl. Okay, so at this point, after you get it in the bowl, you want to go ahead and put your seaweed strips right on top. I also fortunately have some packaged wontons, so we're going to throw those on top. And if you had a hard-boiled egg, you can always put that on top. But that's what the great thing about ramen soup. It's a hodgepodge of whatever you have in the cupboard. Yeah, let's give it a try.
So I'm not using a tripod today. It broke, so we're doing it this way. Ooh. Simple, cheap, flavorful, and good, guys. Hopefully you give this a try. Quick little cooking with Junkyard recipe for you. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out. This is Junkyard. Thanks for watching, everybody. Needless to say, keep cooking.